Hello my dear children, I welcome you all to our story time. So today I am going to tell you a story about a wild animal. Do you know what is a wild animal? Yes, we have learned before, right? What are wild animals? Animals that live in a forest are called wild animal. Let me give one more clue about this wild animal. It has got a long trunk and it is a biggest land animal. Now can you guess what the story is about? Yes, the story is about an elephant. So today we are going to learn a story named The Elephant Makes Friends. Elephant makes friends. Now let's begin our story. Long ago there lived an elephant in a jungle. Jungle means forest. And he was very sad because he had no friends. The elephant was very sad because he had no friends. One day the elephant asked Monkey, "Hi Monkey, can you be my friend?" Then the monkey asked the elephant, "Can you climb a tree like me?" Then the elephant told, "No, I can't." Then the monkey told, "Then you can't be my friend." The elephant became sad and he went to a lake and he asked the frog, "Can you be my friend?" Then the frog told, "Can you jump like me?" Then the elephant told, "No, I can't." Then the frog told, "Then you can't be my friend." On the way, the elephant met a deer. Then the elephant asked deer, "Can you be my friend?" And the deer told, "You can't run like me. You can't be my friend." Then the elephant became very sad. He asked other animals also. Everyone told, "You can't be my friend." So the elephant became very sad and he started to spend his time alone. One day the elephant heard a noise. All are shouting, "Run, run, run." Then the elephant asked, "What happened? Why are you running?" Then everyone told, "A tiger is coming. If he catches you, he will kill you." Then the elephant thought, "I should do something now." The elephant told, "Don't kill my friends." Then the tiger told, "Are you trying to stop me? I'll kill you." Then the elephant told, "No, you can't. I'm stronger than you." And the elephant kicked the tiger with its long trunk. And the tiger ran away. All the animals saw the elephant driving away the tiger and they came one by one to the elephant. And everyone told, "Thank you, elephant, and we'll all be friends." So from that day onwards, elephant got many friends in the forest. So what did you understand from the story? Yes, even a big animal can be friend with a small animals, right? And everyone can help each other and can be friends. right? So here the elephant is a big animal, right? And he helped all other animals in the forest and they became friends. Okay, so children, did you like the story? The elephant makes friends? Okay, and we will learn more during our interactive classes. That's all for today. Bye bye.